योगः कर्मसु कौशलम्।
Namaskar. Welcome to online short-term course on e-content development, organized by UGC Human Resource Development Center of Gujarat University, Ahmedabad. I would like to thank you for your so positive feedback and tremendous response. I would like to thank you for your tremendous response to our pioneering online short-term courses on e-content development. We had various other courses as well, and the response to all the courses was tremendous. The feedback is so positive. I'm very happy to inform you that we together have created history. We together have organized too many courses, and this was history in itself. We have helped a great number of college and university academic staff, mostly professors, to sharpen their skills of e-content development. I welcome you all participants to another chapter of this history. The contribution of UGC HRDC of Gujarat University is remarkable in the human resource development of the people working in higher education in India. We have been working for the professional development of people working in higher education since 1987. We have successfully provided professional development opportunities to about 10,000 academicians and administrators face to face since 1987. I feel proud to share that, friends, we have successfully provided professional development opportunities to about 15,000 academicians and administrators online in just 3 years. If I particularly mention the years, they are 2018 to 2020. Friends, so once again, we are becoming a part of historical event. We are adding one more chapter to the history of Human Resource Development Center of Gujarat University, Ahmedabad. I would like to invite Honorable Vice Chancellor of Gujarat University, Dr. Jagdish Pavsar sir. He is a motivator and man of solid, result-oriented teamwork. He has worked in HK Professional Center of Gujarat University for many years. He has been imparting his services to higher education since long. Friends, he is a creator, author, and contributor to higher education since many years. I would like to invite my team members, the resource persons from India and abroad. Professor Gaikwad from UK and China. I would like to invite resource persons from India as well. Professor Dr. Mahesh Jiwani from Saurashtra University. Professor Dr. Nilesh Modi from Dr. Babasaheb Ambedkar Open University of Gujarat. I would like to invite team members of my UGC Human Resource Development Center, Dr. Kamaljit Lakhtaria, Associate Professor from the Department of Computer Science of Gujarat University, Professor Dr. Chandrakant Bhai Brahmbhatt, Professor Dr. Preeti Mayani ji. I would like to invite all the participants who have joined this program from all the parts of India. They are here from across the country. I'm very happy to be with you all, friends. I would like to invite my support staff, Janki Ben and Pinal Ben. There are quite a few members of Gujarat University, of UGC Human Resource Development Center of Gujarat University, and from different parts of India and Gujarat, supporting directly or indirectly to this program. I welcome them all. Friends, I invite all of you to be a part of another chapter in the history of UGC Human Resource Development Center of Gujarat University, Ahmedabad, organized online short-term course on e-content development. It is organized by UGC Human Resource Development Center of Gujarat University, Ahmedabad. As per the tradition of our center and the university, friends, I would like to invite you all to join me for university song.
Vandan Abhinandan, Vandan Abhinandan, Vandan Abhinandan, Vandan Abhinandan, Vandan Abhinandan. Gujarat University, apni, 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 Gujarat University, apni की गुजरात युनिवर्सिटी आपणी विद्या तणु तपोवन वंदन अभिनंदन वंदन अभिनंदन वंदन अभिनंदन वंदन अभिनंदन
राष्ट्र चेतना कला साधना खेल भावना विकसे
विश्व मानवी बनी गुजराती विश्व सकल माविल से स्नेह संप सहकारनी साथे देती तू सन्मति सौना साथ ने संगाते सौ सिद्ध करे उन्नति प्रेम बंधुता समानता ना पल पल प्रसरे स्पंदन वंदन अभिनंदन वंदन अभिनंदन वंदन अभिनंदन वंदन अभिनंदन वंदन अभिनंदन वंदन अभिनंदन वंदन अभिनंदन
The University Song of Gujarat University sings the glory of Gujarat University. It talks about promising future of Gujarat University, its students and its stakeholders. Friends, as UGC Human Resource Development Center of Gujarat University is hosting the event, I would like to give you a brief about the center. As you are aware that our Human Resource Development Center is ranked 15 among 66 Human Resource Development Centers in India. It is the first in Gujarat. The center was ranked by, that is, NAAC. We have successfully completed 2 online refresher courses in last 2 years. Some of you may be aware of the fact that in 2018 and 19, we have completed the first cycle of ARPIT programs, annual refresher program in teaching. And friends, we have attracted about 3,000 participants from different parts of the country. They were benefited by this online program. In the second cycle of ARPIT, that is annual refresher program in teaching, about 9,000 participants from different parts of India and outside were benefited. We learned together. We have been imparting online education to about 12,000 participants in last 2 years. That was an amazing experience, friends. And we did that as a part of Ministry of Human Resource Development. We have been notified as National Resource Center by UGC and Ministry of Human Resource Development. So as a National Resource Center, we have imparted these 2 online programs for the teaching faculty, for the teaching fraternity, for the professors working in India. And they were benefited in different ways, like they got the refresher courses at the time, their place and their pace. With the success of these programs, we could learn a lot. And while organizing this program, we could practice so many innovative things. We are a pioneer as far as online short-term programs or online short-term courses are concerned in India. Friends, as an HRDC, we were the first to launch online short-term course in India in 2020. As the effect of COVID-19 was there, and it was very difficult for all of us to work from the office, we thought that let us try something where we all can learn from each other and we can contribute to higher education and to the fraternity in some different way. So it is a need of the day in the days of lockdown and the time of change. Friends, it's a time to change ourselves. It's a time to learn new things. And I'm very happy that voluntarily these many friends, this much number has joined these courses. Thank you for a tremendous response. We have to stop the registrations in the first stage at about 400. And there were number of requests from all of you friends. And there were number of requests from you and friends like you to come out with a second slot of this program, or they wanted to join in the first go. But yes, friends, it was not possible for us to accommodate more than 400 in the first lot, because we are not really prepared for it. When we launched the program, we were of the idea that, okay, maximum, I guess, 100 participants will join it. But when we received these many applications, okay, we thought that, okay, let us try to help these friends. We have created a history by launching the first of its kind online short-term course on e-content, friends. It was the first of its kind launched by UGC, HRDC in India. There was a tremendous response for the course, as I told you. At last, the final admission was 374. And there were many who were left out. There were many whom we cannot accommodate. There were requests to my vice chancellor, my friends, to my staff, and to myself from lot of friends. I know, friends, that many of you would have also requested us to go for such a course. And friends, HRDC of Gujarat University is your institute, is our institute. It is an institute for anybody who would like to develop their skills as far as professional development in higher education is concerned. So we extend our family with each program, and I would say you all are a family. And many of you have already attended these courses and they are part of our family. How can we deny an opportunity of professional development to our fraternity, to our friends, and to our family members? So we decided, okay, we'll do something for you. And it is a tradition of our Human Resource Development Center of Gujarat University that we always try to help the best possible number of the peers like you to develop your skills, to help yourself to develop yourself. So following the tradition, to help my peers like you, to help you to participate in such courses, we decided to come out with another slot of online short-term course on e-content development. This is such another slot. I'm very happy to be part of this mega event, and I know that all of you are equally happy to be a part of this mega event. We together will try to make difference. As we are interested in catering to the needs of all who are interested in strengthening their skills for e-content development, we came out with this phrase. And the day has come. We are going for this program. We are learning from each other. We'll try to learn from each other. During this inaugural, friends, I would like to give you an idea about the present program, this short-term course. This short-term course is going to be a real online program, a real MOOC in itself. Generally, in programs like this, online programs, what many of us are doing is they try to have live sessions and there is a lot of discussion. But friends, I would like to tell you that live sessions have their own limitations. Live sessions, whenever we deliberate with live sessions, whenever we contribute with live sessions, like we did in the last programs, we learn from the experience of last programs, friends. What happens is, you have to be with us at the time which we have given you. Say, for example, if I start a course at 10:30, all of you have to be there with your devices at 10:30 ready, and you have to attend that. And if you would like to see it again, if you think that really something is there which you would like to repeat and you would like to listen, or for any reason you think that it is not possible for you to be online at 10:30, maybe due to internet failure, maybe some problem in your device, maybe some equipment failure. So exactly these MOOCs or online courses say that the course should be at the pace of the participant. The course should be at the convenience of the participant. And we are trying to make it more convenient to you, friends. We would like to make this course more useful to all the participants. We thought a lot to make this program fruitful and more useful to all of you. And for that, we decided to deliver this using MOOC platforms. So friends, what we are going to do? We are going to deliver the course at your time, your pace, and your place. You can see this program anytime during the 7 days, whenever you wish. You have to promise me that you will work at least 4 hours a day for this program. You will be available for this program, and the program will be available at your time, at your convenience, and at your speed, friends. We are trying to make it most convenient to you. And And the reason is, it is meant for you. We really wish that your skills are improved. It is possible that we could go for just a one course with 1,000 or 1,500 friends, but we are not doing it. We would like to keep classes between 30 to 40 for each of you. So one class will have not more than 40 participants in general. So there'll be about 40 participants in one class. And we will have moderator for each class. They will moderate your activities. They will help you wherever scaffolding is required, wherever hand holding is required, we will try to help you. And that is how we will run this program. Every day from 28th. So from today, you will get a video, reading material, activities, and some other things in your Google Classroom. We are going to launch this whole program using Google Classroom. I know that all of you have received the invitations of Google Classroom and you are watching me using the link which was provided in your Google Classroom. So friends, each course will have, as I told you, about 40 participants. We tried our best to use the best possible resources. We together will try to learn how to create this e-content and how to make it most effective. The course is a blend of Google Classroom, YouTube, and Zoom. Whenever it will be required, we will meet you using YouTube. Whenever it is required, we will be with you online also. So the mixture will be like these three things: Google Classroom, where all data will be organized. You will see all things, you can post things, you can discuss with us. That will be a live discussion forum. What all of you have to do is, what you are looking at present, you are watching me using YouTube video. So all of you are requested to subscribe this video channel. When you subscribe this video channel, you will get the videos as we will upload there. All of you are requested to make comments on this video. At least one comment by each participant is must. This is how we are going to take your presence. How many people have subscribed and how many people have at least commented once. So we have all the data. We'll look at the resources and we will try to make it out based on that how many of you are active really. See, this is not meant for passive people. This is not meant for just listeners who are just looking at the content and sit at ease. Friends, we need to work together. If we'll work together, the course will be fruitful and you will learn a lot. You need to invest at least 4 hours a day, as I told you. There are videos, e-text, e-resources, followed by activities, additional videos, reading material, quiz, feedback, etc. That the list is very long. But friends, don't worry. It will be very easy. All of you will be able to learn very easily. Just you have to follow our instructions, which will provide you, which will give you from time to time. You need to submit 1-minute feedback video for this online course. So just after 1 or 2 days of this program, you can start working on it, how to record your 1-minute feedback video. Friends, see, this certificate you have to earn. Just by registering, you do not qualify to get the certificate. If you really want to earn a certificate, then you have to work. The work will be, you have to watch the videos, you have to look at the e-text, you have to complete the activities which are given to you. Each module will give you some activities. There'll be some quizzes that also you have to complete, and there'll be a feedback form. There'll be a couple of feedback forms which you have to fill in. So doing this, completing these all activities, you'll be eligible to earn your certificate. That is what we have done even for the earlier stage. So those who will not work, they will not get the certificate. See, so this is just a brief about the course, but I tell you friends, don't get frightened. It is going to be very easy experience. We will try to teach you in most simplest way possible. We will try to learn together in the best, basic, easy, lucid kind of practice possible. So don't take tension, don't worry about it. Yeah, just what you have to worry about it, try to understand what activity we give you. Try to understand what exactly we ask you to do. Yes, we'll provide you all the guidance. We will provide you all the scaffolding. Just you have to follow what we tell you. And then your work is done. See, because these ICT things, we cannot learn by theory. We need to go for a lot of practice. We will be able to learn it just by practice only. So all of you have to go for a lot of practice. And that practice will teach you these things. Otherwise, there is no meaning of the certificate. Basically, I know that all of you have joined this voluntarily. And you joined it not just for certificate. Yes, certificate is important. But you haven't joined it just for certificate. You have joined it for improving your skills. Friends, when you go back after this program to your institutions, to your colleges, to your universities, there will be one more feather added to your cap. You will go there as a proud learner. You will be able to contribute to online platforms of your college, university, and institutions. You will be able to run your own program. Friends, if you'll be little attentive, if you try to follow whatever steps we give you, whatever activities we give you, I guarantee you, you will learn 3-4 things at least. One is, all of you will be able to develop your own e-content. Imagine your own e-content. Second, I'm going to a further step. All of you will be able to develop your own website. Imagine that you have your own website on your own name. And third, all of you will be able to launch online course like we are launching this. All of you will be able to develop your own online course and launch that online course. Just one thing you have to do, and you will learn this minimum 3 things. And that one thing is, you have to give your time, you have to give your energy, and you have to follow whatever we tell you. You have to do whatever we ask you to do. Friends, let's try to learn about Gujarat University. My university is ranked number 1 by state SIRF. That is Gujarat State SIRF, State Institutional Ranking Framework. And my university is the only university which is ranked as 5-star university by this SIRF, State Institutional Ranking Framework of Gujarat State. Let's have a look at the glorious Gujarat University.
Vandan Abhinandan, Vandan Abhinandan, Vandan Abhinandan, Vandan Abhinandan, Vandan Abhinandan. Gujarat University apni, Gujarat University apni vidya tanu tapovan. Vandan Abhinandan, Vandan Abhinandan, Vandan Abhinandan, Vandan Abhinandan.
राष्ट्र चेतना कला साधना खेल भावना विकसे
विश्व मानवी बनी गुजराती विश्व सकल माविल से स्नेह संप सहकारनी साथे देती तू सन्मति सौना साथ ने संगाते सौ सिद्ध करे उन्नति प्रेम बंधुता समानताना पल पल प्रसरे स्पंदन वंदन अभिनंदन वंदन अभिनंदन वंदन अभिनंदन वंदन अभिनंदन वंदन अभिनंदन वंदन अभिनंदन वंदन अभिनंदन.
You must have got the idea about Gujarat University, what Gujarat University is. Friends, this kind of institution spread knowledge among the students and the faculties. All the universities should try to become Nalandas and Takshashilas. We are trying our hard to reach to a status where we can reach. We are trying to reach towards excellence. I would like to inform you, friends, I'm very proud to tell you that my university is ranked number 1 University of Gujarat by Gujarat State Institutional Ranking Framework. Not only ranked number 1, but it is also the only 5-star university of Gujarat by State SIRF. Friends, various resource persons are going to be with us. As I told you, resource persons from India and abroad will be with us during this program. This e-content program is going to be so interactive and so simple that you will be able to develop your own website at the end of this program. And at the last, you'll be able to develop your own program and course online. Friends, I have one of our resource person, Dr. Mahesh Jiwani ji. He is professor and head of electronics and computer science department of Saurashtra University. He will explain you how Google Classroom works, so that when you will just log into Google Classroom, you will be able to explore, you will be able to go through Google Classroom very easily. As I told you earlier, we are going to use three things extensively. One is Google Classroom, one is YouTube, and one is this Zoom program. So here, I want all of you to have a fair idea of Google Classroom and how it works. As we are going to have it in almost MOOCs forms, this program, and you should have basic knowledge of Google Classroom so that you can open different courses, you can open different modules, you can go for activities, and you can go for quizzes and different kind of things. If you will not complete it, you will not be able to earn the certificate. It's over to Professor Dr. Mahesh Jiwani, one of the pillar of this program, who is a man behind this program, along with my team. Dr. Mahesh Jiwani ji, sir.
Thank you, Professor Joshi sir. And again, thank you very much for sharing my experiences and a few introduction for the participants. Here we are going to use, as Professor Joshi explained, about the Google Classroom. So basically, Google Classroom is just an example of learning management system where a learner can get access to various content provided by the resource person. One Moodle is system is also there, and same way Google Classroom is also there. So here you will get different resources. I will show you a brief demo how you can able to join the Google Classroom, as well as what kind of content you are going to explore in the Google Classroom. Basically, there are two ways to join into the Google Classroom. The first invitation email will come to you by HRDC Gujarat University. So you have to accept the HRDC invitation, and once you accept it, you will get into the Google Classroom. So if you are accessing on a desktop or laptop, you don't have to download anything. But if you are accessing on a mobile, you have to download the app from the Play Store. If you are using Android mobile phone, then you have to go to the Google Play Store and you have to download the Google Classroom app. And same way on iOS device, also application is available. So first you have to download the applications, then you have to click on the invitations provided by or sent by the Gujarat HRDC. Then once you accept the invitations, you will directly jump into your respective classroom. Second method, if you are not able to connect through the invitations, then we will provide you classroom code. So you have to open the Google app and you have to click on the join to the Google Classroom, and once you click on join, Google Classroom requires one classroom code that will be again provided by the Gujarat University HRDC. Once you do that, then you will come into your respective Google Classroom. So these are the two simple ways, and we are recommending kindly use a Gmail ID. So it's better to have a Gmail ID so you can work well with the Google Classroom, so you don't have any problem other than the Google or Gmail account. So these are the few instructions. Let's jump to the Google Classroom, how it looks like and how you are going to work with it. I'll show you a brief idea about what exactly a Google Classroom. Say for example, this is one example of Google Classroom. Here there are three tabs. One is a stream. So once you enter into the Google Classroom, directly you will see this screen, stream, where a latest post will be available for you. Second one is known as the classwork. So once you click on the classwork, you will get all the topics and relevant information and relevant content provided by the resource person as well as the UGC HRDC to you. So each and every topic is available to you as per your course work. Fine. So everything is available. So that is available in Google coursework tab. And then third tab is for the people, where you will find a fellow peer members who are participants with you. So if you go to the first part, you will see three things which already posted to you. Online course posted new material, that is a general introduction, so you have to go through the general introduction. And the second one is introduction to join the inaugural functions. So here information is also there how to join into the inaugural function. And the third, which is a website link of UGC HRDC. So if you click on that, you will find the website of Welcome to Academic Staff College of Gujarat University, that is UGC HRDC Gujarat University. So all the information at your fingertips. So kindly explore. So again I am repeating: stream, coursework, and people tab. So these are the basic information, and each and every information will come to you through Google Classroom. So make a practice to use a Google Classroom. So each and everything, this course, entire course will again run through the Google Classroom itself. So kindly see to it every time, every day, and at the scheduled time you have to check the Google Classroom. So thank you very much. Over to Professor Joshi sir, and best luck for your course, and best luck for the all the sessions. Joshi sir.
Thank you very much for innovative session, sir. I suggest you to switch over the screen. Yes, sir. Always it is a pleasure to listen to dear friend Dr. Mahesh Jivani. Friends, now we will go on in our inaugural session to the next part of inaugural session. So अभी हमने e-content development course के बारे में बात की. अब मैं हमारे माननीय कुलपति श्री डॉक्टर जगदीश भावसार साहब को निमंत्रित करना चाहूंगा. डॉक्टर जगदीश भावसार साहब जो हैं वो सालों तक HK प्रोफेशनल सेंटर के डायरेक्टर रहे हैं और हायर एजुकेशन में बहुत सालों से उनका प्रदान है. एक लेखक और एक कंट्रीब्यूटर इन हायर एजुकेशन के तरीके से करीब 25-30 सालों से हायर एजुकेशन में कंट्रीब्यूट करते आए हैं और जिनकी लीडरशिप में गुजरात यूनिवर्सिटी अभी बहुत ही अच्छा काम कर रही है. तो मैं माननीय कुलपति श्री डॉक्टर जगदीश भावसार साहब को आमंत्रित करता हूं कि ये ई कंटेंट डेवलपमेंट के कोर्स के पार्टिसिपेंट्स को अपना संदेश दें. सर.
आज से प्रारंभ हो रहे ई कंटेंट डेवलपमेंट के 7 दिवसीय कार्यक्रम, जिनका आयोजन गुजरात यूनिवर्सिटी HRDC केंद्र की ओर से किया गया है. ये HRDC केंद्र के मेधावी डायरेक्टर डॉक्टर जगदीश जोशी, उनकी पूरी टीम पूरे राज्य और राष्ट्र भर में से यह 7 दिवसीय ई कंटेंट डेवलपमेंट प्रोग्राम में जुड़े हुए सभी प्रतिभागी और व्यूअर्स, मुझे यह बताने से बहुत हर्ष हो रहा है कि विगत दिनों HRDC केंद्र की ओर से ई कंटेंट डेवलपमेंट का 7 दिवसीय एक वर्ग प्रारंभ हुआ था. उस वर्ग के प्रारंभ के दिन मुझे भी उससे जुड़ने का मौका मिला था. उस वर्ग में करीबन 400 प्रतिभागी ने हिस्सा लिया था. हाल ही में यह वर्ग संपन्न हुआ है और आज से जो वर्ग प्रारंभ हो रहा है, यह वर्ग में प्रतिभागी हिस्सा ले रहे, ये बदलते समय की एक बड़ी बात दिखाई दे रही है. HRDC केंद्र जो जगदीश जोशी उनके डायरेक्टर के नेतृत्व में विभिन्न तरह के प्रोग्राम लेकर पूरे देश और दुनिया में बैठे हुए ज्ञान के इच्छुक लोगों तक पहुंचने का प्रयास कर रहे हैं। मुझे आनंद इस बात का भी है, इस समय जो 7 दिवसीय वर्ग प्रारंभ हो रहा है उसमें मार्गदर्शन हेतु विदेश से भी अध्यापक एवं मार्गदर्शक जुड़ने वाले हैं। मैंने जैसे बताया कि समय बदल रहा है, ज्यादा से ज्यादा प्रत्यक्ष की जगह परोक्ष संपर्क के मदद से ज्ञान का विस्तरण, ज्ञान एक स्थान से और दूसरे स्थान पर पहुंचाने का काम होने वाला है। छात्र और अध्यापक दोनों का सीधा संपर्क धीरे धीरे कम होने वाला है। ई कंटेंट का प्रभाव शिक्षा जगत के अंदर बढ़ने वाला है। हमको तैयार होना पड़ेगा। आधुनिक तकनीक के जो विभिन्न आयाम हमारे सामने उपलब्ध है, उन आयामों का हमें उपयोग करना पड़ेगा। वर्षों तक हमने जिस बात को समझने का प्रयास न किया हो, उस बात को भी अब समझना पड़ेगा। बदलते समय के साथ हमको चलना पड़ेगा। और जो हमारे पास मां सरस्वती ने जो भी शक्ति दी है, वो शक्ति का आने वाली पीढ़ी उनको तैयार करने में योगदान देना पड़ेगा। ई कंटेंट डेवलपमेंट उसी दिशा का गुजरात यूनिवर्सिटी के एचआरडीसी केंद्र का एक नम्र प्रयास है। आप सब आज उससे जुड़ने का अवसर आपने प्राप्त किया है। मैं आप सबको सही दिशा में सोचने का, अपने आप को तैयार करने का यह मौका जो प्राप्त हुआ है, उसमें सफल होने की शुभकामना देता हूं। विश्वविद्यालय और आप सब एक ही दिशा के अंदर अगर सोचेंगे तो यह कोरोना की महामारी के अंदर मुझे पूरा विश्वास है कि हम रास्ते निकाल पाएंगे, समस्या को सुलझा पाएंगे और हमें सभी दिशाओं में से शक्ति प्राप्त होगी, ऐसा भी मुझे विश्वास है। आप सब एचआरडीसी केंद्र गुजरात यूनिवर्सिटी, डॉक्टर जगदीश जोशी, प्रीतिबेन, रंबर सर और विभिन्न वक्ताओं का मार्गदर्शन लेकर बच्चों को वो मार्गदर्शन देंगे, ऐसा विश्वास है। सर्वे भवन्तु सुखिनः, सर्वे संतु निरामया, वंदे मातरम.
Thank you very much, sir. The speech of our Honorable Vice Chancellor, Dr. Jagdish Bhavsar ji, is always so motivating. हमारे मानव संसाधन केंद्र को, HRDC को, वो हमेशा एक मोटिवेशन और लीडरशिप प्रदान करते हैं, और उनकी लीडरशिप में ये 400 से 1100 तक का सफर, पहले जब हमने ये शुरू किया तो देयर वर ओनली 400 पार्टिसिपेंट, वो भी कम नहीं थे, देयर वाज अ बिग नंबर, लेकिन अब हमने और एक आयाम सिद्ध किया है. So this is an achievement in itself, and we will go for such achievements in his leadership and with the teamwork of Gujarat University. Thank you very much, Honorable Vice Chancellor, sir. I would like to thank Dr. Jagdish Bhavsar on behalf of all the participants, on behalf of whole team of UGC Human Resource Development Center of Gujarat University for his kind words. He is always a motivator. He is a man of teamwork. He leads all of us for doing better. He tells us that it is a journey towards excellence. All of us should work for the fraternity. That is what he always guides us. I would like to thank him for his such a kind words and motivating words for all of us. Friends, I would like to thank all the stakeholders of Gujarat University, the Executive Council members, the Academic Council members, the Office of the Registrar of Gujarat University, for their kind support for organization of such a program. Whenever we go with innovative program to the Vice Chancellor or to the Registrar or any stakeholder of Gujarat University, they always welcome our ideas. Not only welcome, but they boost our ideas and they boost our confidence. So I'm thankful to, I'm grateful to all the stakeholders of Gujarat University. I express my heartfelt gratitude to all the resource persons for their energy, time, and knowledge sharing. I'm thankful to all my staff members, Professor Chandrakant Bhai Brambit, Professor Preeti Mayani, Janki Ben, Penal Ben, and all other staff members of UGC Human Resource Development Center of Gujarat University. Friends, I'm thankful to all those who directly or indirectly supported us for such an innovative program which we have launched today. This course would not have seen the day without the supports of many people. So I would like to thank all of them who directly or indirectly supported us in this program. And the most important part of this program, all of you friends, how can I not express my gratitude to you? The program is just for you. It is for us. You are the most important part of this program. I am thankful to thousands of participants who enormously enrolled to this program and make this program a history, a huge success. Once again, thank you one and all. Thank you the participants. We are together for 1 week and we'll try to learn from each other during this 1 week, and we will try to make our profession, our professional skills at its best. I express my heartfelt gratitude to all the participants for this enormous response and being together with me. Friends, together we will try to learn the best. We will try to improve our skills and we will together try to make a difference in higher education in India. Thank you very much.